In the vast and ever-changing musical landscape, it can be challenging for artists to create a distinct sound that stands out. However, throughout history, exceptional artists have emerged, captivating audiences with their unique sounds. Today, we will explore the creative ways in which music artists distinguish themselves through their sounds. Authenticity is a powerful tool for music artists to stand out. By embracing their unique identities and expressing themselves honestly through their music, they can create a sound that resonates with listeners. Beyoncé is a prime example of an artist who has fully embraced authenticity. Through her music, performances, and public persona, she remains true to her personal experiences, emotions, and perspectives. Her genuine connection with her audience allows listeners all over the world to relate to her on a deeper level. Artists who dare to push the boundaries of their genres are often rewarded. By experimenting with unconventional melodies, harmonies, rhythms, or production techniques, they can create a distinct sonic palette that captivates listeners. Playboi Carti is known for combining punk and rock elements with his hip-hop-infused sound, breaking the barriers between genres and challenging conventional wisdom. His openness to sonic experimentation keeps audiences on their toes, craving for more. Developing a signature sound is another creative way for music artists to stand out. By cultivating a distinct style, artists can establish themselves as pioneers in their field. Artists like Bob Dylan with his unique vocal timbre, Jimi Hendrix with his electrifying guitar solos, and Daft Punk with their fusion of electronic and funk elements have all created iconic sounds that have stood the test of time. Their signature sounds have left a lasting impression on listeners, setting them apart from others in the industry. Music artists can also distinguish themselves through their storytelling abilities and lyrical depth. By weaving narratives into their songs, they can establish a strong connection with their audience. Kendrick Lamar is a prime example of an artist who stands out with his unique storytelling ability. Through immersive worlds and captivating character performances, he elevates his performances to a new level, engaging listeners on a profound and memorable level. While sound is the primary medium for music artists, their stage presence and performance style can significantly contribute to their individuality. Dynamic performers like Lil Uzi Vert, with their charisma, energy, and stage mastery, create an immersive live experience that distinguishes them from others. Their engaging interactions with the audience, creative visual aesthetics, and incorporation of dance or theatrics leave a lasting impression on fans. One way for music artists to carve out a niche in the industry is by embracing diverse influences and blending genres. Anderson .Paak seamlessly blends elements of R&B, soul, funk, and hip-hop, showcasing the power of embracing eclectic influences. By fusing different genres, artists can create a unique and refreshing sound that sets them apart from the crowd. In today's multimedia-driven world, artists who focus on their visual identity can make a big impact. Billie Eilish has cultivated a distinct visual identity through her haunting pop sound, intentional fashion choices, and visually captivating music videos. This visual identity has played a crucial role in capturing the attention of a global audience. In a highly competitive music industry, artists must find creative ways to differentiate their sounds. By embracing authenticity, pushing boundaries, building a signature sound, focusing on storytelling and lyricism, captivating audiences with their stage presence, embracing eclectic influences, and cultivating a visual identity, artists can leave a lasting impression. Remember, true artistic innovation comes from within. When artists remain true to themselves, they have the potential to create music that connects with audiences all over the world.